Ask most image models to tweak a photo and they quietly redraw the whole thing. The face drifts, the background changes, and you lose what you liked. FLUX.1 Kontext from Black Forest Labs fixes that. It is a 12 billion parameter model that edits an image from a plain text instruction while keeping everything else intact. In this video, the problem, what context is, how it works, its architecture, how it compares, the variants, the code, and when to reach for it. Start with the pain. Classic text-to-image models generate from scratch every time. So, when you say give this character a red jacket, the model repaints the entire scene, and the person's identity subtly shifts. Over several edits, the drift compounds a slightly different face, new lighting, a changed background. For real work like product shots or a recurring character, that inconsistency is a deal-breaker. So what is FLUX.1 Kontext? It is an in-context image editing model. You prompt it with both an image and text, and it edits the image according to your instruction. Crucially, it unifies plain text-to-image generation and instruction-based editing in one model. It can change objects, restyle, relight, swap backgrounds, and even edit text inside the image, all while preserving the parts you did not ask to change. Here is the workflow, and it is genuinely iterative. You load an image and type a short edit, like add a hat. Kontext returns a new image in about 3 to 5 seconds at 1 megapixel resolution. You then feed that result straight back in and make the next edit. Because the model is built to preserve identity, the same character survives many turns without drifting the loop that older editors could not hold. Under the hood is a rectified-flow transformer working in latent space. First, a variational autoencoder compresses the image into latents, while T5 and clip encode your text. The clever part is simple. It concatenates the image tokens and the context tokens into one sequence, so a single transformer sees both. Rectified-flow then learns straight paths from noise to the edited latent, and the autoencoder decodes it back to pixels fast and stable. How does it compare to the other editors? Against GPT-4o and Google's Nano Banana, Kontext's edge is speed plus character consistency. It holds identity across many turns better than most, and edits in seconds. Nano Banana often wins on human-like spatial understanding and blending edits into a scene, and GPT-4o can grasp more complex prompts. Kontext is the fast, consistent, iteration-friendly choice. The headline number is speed without sacrificing fidelity. Using simple flow matching training, Kontext hits interactive inference of 3 to 5 seconds at 1 megapixel resolution, while setting state-of-the-art character consistency across multi-turn edits. That combination, fast enough to feel live, yet stable enough to edit the same image again and again, is what makes it feel different to use. There are 3 variants. Kontext Pro is the production workhorse, fast, iterative, professional quality edits over an API. Kontext Max pushes prompt adherence and typography even further, with premium consistency and no speed penalty. And Kontext Dev is an open-weight 12 billion model you can run and fine-tune yourself, though under a non-commercial license, so check the terms before shipping. Where does it shine? Anywhere you need the same subject across many images. Marketing and product shots that must stay on brand. A recurring character across scenes for comics or storyboards. Style transfer and relighting on real photos. Local touch-ups change one object, leave the rest. And editing text on signs or labels, which most image models mangle. Encode with hugging face diffusers. It is short. You load the Flux context pipeline from the Kontext Dev weights, pass your input image plus a plain instruction like add a hat to the cat, and set a modest guidance scale. Out comes the edited image. Note the pipeline needs a recent diffusers, and Dev ships with an integrity safety checker you are expected to keep on. So when should you reach for it? Reach for Kontext when you need fast, iterative edits, strong character or product consistency, or local changes that leave the rest untouched. Think twice when you need the most nuance, spatial reasoning, or the trickiest compositions. A rival like Nano Banana may blend better, or when a non-commercial license on the open dev weights blocks your use case. Quick recap. Classic models redraw everything and lose identity. FLUX.1 Kontext edits from a text instruction in context, preserving what you did not touch. It is a rectified flow transformer that concatenates image and text tokens in latent space, editing in 3 to 5 seconds with best-in-class multi-turn consistency. 3 variants: Pro, Max, and OpenDev cover API and self-hosting. That is FLUX.1 Kontext. Edit an image with words, keep everything else, and do it fast enough to iterate. Did this make in-context image editing click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.